What's up, guys? Let me show you guys on how to do P2P on MEXC exchange. MEXC is one of the biggest exchange, all right, that you can trade Bitcoin, spot trading, future trading, even stock markets on MEXC. So I'll show you guys today video on how can you do P2P if you are living in Nigeria or whatever country you are. That is P2P is allowed in your country in this particular video. So now let me show you. The first step is just register your accounts and verify the account. Make sure the account is fully verified with your identity. All right, that's how it works. So now once you log into your account like this, you are going to something like this. Can you see? If you want to go for P2P trading, you can easily come to this particular area. All right, I'll show you how to buy and how to sell in this particular video. So click on that area where they sell P2P. So if you want to sell, you click on this sell. Then if you want to buy, you click on this buy. All right, but you need to set up your profile. You have to just add your details. All right, where if you want, let's say if you want to sell, you need to add your own details. All right, for them to pay you. All right, your payouts, so for them to pay you if you want to sell. But if you want to buy, you have to just stay on this particular area. So let me just show you the first thing is if you want to buy. So make sure you verify your account fully. So one thing you need to do right now is to just make sure to come to this area and click on this price. You can click on this either complete order, then you can merchant only. This is merchant, show available ad. All right, then advertise, you have no. So that one is okay, price. Or you can click on this complete rating if you want a fully verified merchant to trade with. All right, complete rating, show merchant ad only, show available ad only. So that's all. Click on confirm. You can see, so these are the rates they are selling into you right now. All these particular merchant are very 100%, are already, they have 100% renting. Sorry, they have 100% renting. All right, so you can see this available. All right, you can buy with them. So but if you want a lowest price, you can also. All right, so let me just show you. If you want people that are maybe their payment is lesser than this, you can click on price, then you click on this. Let's see what happens. Their price is very, very high. So let's say if you want to buy amount of 10,000 naira, then you put the amounts in this particular. If you are a Nigerian, let's say I want to buy the amount of 10,000 naira, I'll click on this area. All right, I've already put it. So if I want to buy with this particular guy, this is the amount I'm going to pay to him. Then I'll click on this buy. And I click on this buy, so it will load for me. All right, so if you want to buy with NGN, you put. If you want to buy with USDT, you select that one. Let's say 10 USDT, that's around 14,000 naira. All right, then if you want to pay with naira, that's 14,000 naira and 49 naira and 40 naira. All right, then you click on this buy USDT. All right, down here you click on buy USDT, then you buy. All right, because I don't want to buy because for that, I have, I'm just showing you tutorial on how to do that. Then you follow the prompt. You are going to see the details of the person for you guys to pay. So let's say you want to buy, click on buy, then it will show you, can you see? Then you can click on this area called chats. You can even chat with the person. Are you online? Then you chat with the person. All right, so you can even chat with the person. Then in case I'm active, can you see? No thought. Can you see? You have to read the terms and condition of the person before you make your payment to the person. All right, it's very simple. Then if you want to pay, you just click on this pay now. Then they will show you the details you are going to pay with. So once you pay, all right, then the guy will release the coin for you. It's that simple and easy strategy. It's that simple and easy. So I don't want to show more details of this because of the YouTube policies and everything. So just follow the prompts and make your payments. Once you pay finish, the guy will release the coin for you. It's that simple and easy strategy. All right, so now let me show you how can you sell right now. If you want to sell your Bitcoin wherever, so now if you want to sell, the first step you need to do is to just, if you want to sell right now, you come to sell. All right, so if you want to sell, you have to just come to this area called profile. All right, you can see, you click on profile to set up your payment method so that they can pay you, because I don't want to show that area because of YouTube policy. So click on that profile area, then you are going to see to add your own details for them to do what, for them to pay you. So yeah, make sure you do your KYC and everything. Then you need to just click on this payment method and add your own payment method. I don't want to show that area. You have already add your payment method. All right, then if you want to sell, let's say you want to sell worth of 10,000 naira, you will just click on 10,000. Either you want to sell around 20,000 naira. Okay, it's an example. All right, as an example, then you click on this sell. It's that simple and easy. Okay, then if you want to put it, let's say 20,000 naira, that's the amount I want to sell. Yeah, I want to sell about worth of 20,000 naira. Then I will now click on this sell right now. Then the person will now pay me the money into my payouts, into my details I put on the P2P platform. Simple and easy. So that's how you can just sell and buy on MEXC Exchange. Try to like this video and share it to people. Let people know how they can sell and withdraw, all right, to their own, payment something. Thank you for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Just click on sell button. Then once the person pay you, then it will now release to your own, then you now follow the prompts and do the necessary thing. I'm just showing you the tutorial on how you can do it. So thank you. This video is just based on educational content. This is not financial advice. So try to like it and share it with people. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.